So today we learn about the plants and nature. What we learn? Plants and nature. So have you looked at the flowers? Yes, come here, come here. Look at the flowers. Please come here. Everybody come here. Come here. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. So the flower name is Candula. What is the flower name?
Candula.
Because this flower is used for making a medicine. It's also called a marigold. It's also called a marigold. So come with me. Yes, come with me. I will show you for so many flowers and trees. So come here, children. Come here. So look at the tree. See, the tree name is cover up. The tree name is banyan tree. You want to touch the leaves? Touch the leaves one by one. Touch the leaves one by one. So how's you feel? कैसा है प्लांट banyan tree का leaves कैसे हैं? Soft. So the leaves of the banyan tree is soft, very soft. Soft, हाँ. All leaves are very soft, है ना? So come with me. So you have seen so many flowers. So many flowers, है ना? In the ground, so many flowers. Look at the flowers. Yes. I will show you so many trees and plants also. Yes, come with me. Yes. Come with me. Come. Yes, children, come. So, come here. Yes. Come here. Now, look at the tree. What is the name of the tree? Ashok tree. What is the name of the tree? You want to touch the leaves? Touch it. कैसी है? Hard है, soft है? Hard है ना थोड़ी सी? So, little bit soft, little bit hard, है ना? Touch the leaves, है ना? Okay, nice. चलो, now move back. Because put your finger on your mouth. Come here, this side, come here. Come here. Move in line, beta. Come here. Yes. I will show you one more tree. Look at the flower. This is also a Ashok tree. What is the name of this tree? Ashok tree. Okay. Come here. Now, come here. Have you looked this tree? Arjun tree. So, one, only one and two. Touch the leaves. Leaves are soft. है ना? So, what is the name of the tree? Arjun tree, not beta Ashok tree. Come here. Stop here. Everybody stop here. So this is the plant. The plant name is Morpanki. The plant name is Morpanki. I will show you the leaves. Wait. I will show you the leaves. So touch it one by one. It's hard. थोड़ा सा रैश है ना? So थोड़ा सा रैश. One by one. Touch it. कोई बात नहीं. Touch it one by one. Take it one by one. So what is the name? Is Morpanki plant. What is the name? Morpanki plant. Now turn around. Wait a minute.
मेरे पीछे भी कोई लगा रही है.
Okay. One more tree. Come here. So. Wait. And nobody touch. देखो. So this is the plant. The name is Champa White. Plumerian alba. Plumerian Alba. The plant name is Champa white. Okay. So you have looked this plant. What is the name of the tree? This is a neem tree. Have you seen the big tree? The tree name is neem tree. Okay. Okay, student. Okay, wait a minute. कितने मिनट का हो गया? 5 मिनट्स हो गए, बस पॉज कर दो.